Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 20 substitution in that exercise 20b. Okay. So next second question, simplify 12x minus then in bracket 5x plus 2x. Okay. So you know how to solve an expression if bracket is included. Okay, so first you have to do what is given inside the bracket. Okay, so 12x minus 5x plus 2x, it is 7x. So 12x minus 7x, it is 5x. Okay, this is one method. There is another method to solve this. Solve the expressions if it includes brackets. Okay. Second method is you can open or remove this bracket. Okay. So while opening or removing bracket, you need to follow two rules that you already studied. That is, when there is a positive sign before a pair of brackets. Okay, when there is a positive sign before a brackets, the brackets are removed without changing the signs of the terms in the brackets. That is, if you are removing the brackets and when there is a positive sign before a bracket, then you need not change the sign of the terms inside the bracket. No change in sign will be there. Okay, you can write the signs as it is. Okay. So for example, we can take 10 plus 7 minus 3. You can write 10 plus 7 minus 3. Okay. Then a plus b minus c plus d. You can write a plus b minus c plus d. Okay. Whenever there is a positive sign before a pair of brackets, then only you can do like this. But when there is a negative sign before a pair of brackets, the brackets are removed and at the same time the sign of each term inside the bracket is also changed. Okay, so inside bracket what all terms are given, sign of that terms will change. Okay, when the brackets are removed, the sign of each term inside the bracket is changed. Positive sign will change to negative, negative will change to positive. Okay, let us take an example. 12 minus 8 minus 5. So here before a pair of bracket, minus sign is there. So while removing or opening bracket, how it will come? 12, then you need to change the sign. Then after that only you can write, okay, the term. So 8 means it is positive 8. So that will become minus 8. Okay, then minus 5. So minus 5 will become plus 5. Okay, so 12 minus 8 plus 5 it will be. You will get the answer 9. Okay, next example, let us take a minus then in bracket b minus c plus d. So while removing brackets, we need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. Okay, here minus sign is coming before a bracket. That's why we change the terms, we change the signs of terms inside the bracket. So what will come? A. This is the first term that you can write. Then after that you need to write the terms that are coming inside the bracket. So before that, here minus sign is coming before bracket. So what to do? Change the sign of each term and then write the term. Okay, so B. B means it is positive b, so that will become minus b. Then minus c will become plus c. Then plus d will become minus d. So expression is a minus b plus c minus d. Okay. Back to our question. So while opening bracket here in this question, we need to change the sign of the terms inside the bracket. Okay, so here minus sign is coming before a bracket, so we change the sign of terms inside the bracket. So how it will be? 12x. Now minus is coming, so before writing the terms inside the bracket, you need to change the sign and then you write. Okay, so 5x, that is positive 5x, so that will become minus 5x. Okay, now positive 2x will become, plus will change to minus, so minus 2x. Okay, now you can get the answer. 12x minus 5x, it is 7x. 7x minus 2x, you will get 5x. Okay, here also we got 5x. Second question, 10m plus 4n minus 5n in one bracket, then minus 5n. So let's do this by removing the brackets. Okay, before this bracket, it is plus sign. So whenever there is a positive sign before a bracket, no need to change the sign of the terms. Okay, so you can write as it is. So 10m plus 4n minus 3n minus 5n. Okay, here it is positive sign before, plus sign before a bracket. That's why we did like this. Then 10m, like terms you can add or subtract. So what you will get? 10m. Now 4n minus 3n, it is 1n. Okay, so 1n minus 5n, it is minus 4n. Okay, 1 minus 5, it is minus 4. So 1n minus 5n, it is minus 4n. So the answer is 10m minus 4n. Okay. Third question, 15b minus 6b in one bracket, then minus 8b plus 4b. Okay, so first bracket let us look. 15b minus 6b. Before this bracket there is no minus sign. So you should understand that it is plus. Okay, if nothing is given means it is plus sign. So you can write the first bracket as it is. No need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. So 15b minus 6b. Okay, there is no negative sign before a bracket. So you can write as it is. Now before the second bracket, 8b plus 4b, before this bracket there is minus sign. So what to do? Change the signs of terms inside the bracket. So 8b, 8b means it is plus 8b. So that will become minus 8b. Now plus 4b will become minus 4b. Okay, now all these are like terms, so you can subtract. 15 minus 6, it is 9. 9 minus 8, you will get 1. 1 minus 4, you will get minus 3. Okay, so the answer is minus 3b. The variable used is b. So minus 3b is the answer. 15b minus 6b, it is 9b. 9b minus 8b, it is 1b. 1b minus 4b, it is minus 3b. Okay. Fourth question, minus, then in bracket minus 4a minus 18. So you need to open bracket here. So before this bracket minus sign is coming. So what to do? Change the signs of terms inside the bracket. Okay, so minus 4a will become plus 4a. That is simply 4a you can write. Okay, minus 8a will become plus 8a. Okay, so 4a plus 8a. Now you can do 4a plus 8a, it is 12a. Okay, so here before this bracket minus sign is coming, so change the, if minus sign comes means you need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. So inside the bracket minus 4a will change to plus 4a, minus 8a will change to plus 8a. Now you can add, since they are like terms, 4a plus 8a, you will get 12a. Okay. Fifth question, x minus in bracket x minus y, again minus in bracket minus x plus y. So here before first bracket also minus sign is coming, before second bracket also minus sign is coming. Okay, so you need to change the sign of terms inside the brackets. So what you will get, first x, first term it is x. Now this x will become minus x. Okay, it is plus x actually, so that will become minus x, then minus y will change to plus y. Okay, so x become minus x, minus y becomes plus y. First bracket is opened. Next second bracket, so minus sign is coming before the second bracket, so we need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. So minus x will become plus x. Don't write this minus first. Okay, minus sign is coming before the bracket. So if minus sign comes means, if you are writing terms, first change the sign, then write the terms. Okay, so minus x will become plus x, then plus y will become minus y. Okay, so minus x change to plus x, plus y change to minus y. Now you can do x minus x, it is 0. 1x minus 1x, 0 you will get. Now y minus y, that is also 0. X minus x 0, y minus y 0, remaining 1x is there, so the answer is x. Okay. Sixth one, p plus, now in bracket minus q minus r minus s, then minus in bracket p minus q minus r. So here before the first bracket plus sign is coming, before the second bracket minus sign is coming. Okay, so while opening the first bracket, no need to change the sign of terms. Okay, since plus sign is coming before the first bracket, no need to change the sign of terms inside bracket. So what you will get, p, what is the sign of q here? It is minus. Okay, don't write a plus. Here plus is coming. Okay, but here inside bracket sign of q is minus. So you need to write a minus q. Okay, now minus r minus s. Okay, now before the second bracket the sign is minus. Okay, so while opening the second bracket, change the signs of terms inside the bracket. So p means it is plus p, so that will change to minus p. Then minus q will change to plus q. Minus r will change to plus r. Okay, so now you can do the like terms addition or subtraction. Okay, so p minus p, so that is 0. P minus p, it is 0. Next minus q plus q, again you got 0 here. Minus q plus q, minus 5 plus 5, it is 0. Similarly minus q plus q, you will get 0 only. Then minus r plus r. So here also you got 0. So the remaining term is minus s. Don't write a plus s. The sign of s is minus. So the answer is minus s. Minus s means minus 1s it is. No need to write a 1. Okay, so minus s is the answer. 7th question. A plus b minus c plus d in one bracket, then minus e minus f in one bracket. So before the first bracket it is a plus b. So before this bracket there is no sign is given. So it is already understood that it is plus sign. Okay. So no need to change the sign of the terms inside the bracket, because plus sign is coming before the first bracket. Okay. If plus sign comes before a bracket, you can write the terms as it is. So a plus b. Next, before the second bracket, c plus d, the sign is minus. So if minus sign comes before bracket, you need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. Okay, so c means plus c, that will become minus c. Plus d will become minus d. Okay. Now e minus f. Before, this is the third bracket, and before this bracket minus sign is coming. So what to do? Change the sign of terms inside the bracket. So e means it is plus e, so that will become minus e. Okay. Minus f will become plus f. Okay. Now you can add or subtract like terms or anything. So here no like terms are coming. So the answer is a plus b minus c minus d minus e plus f. This is the answer. Okay. 12th one, minus m minus n minus in bracket minus n, then minus m. Okay. So here before this bracket minus sign is coming. So you need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. Okay. So minus m minus n. Now what will come? Minus n will change to plus n. Okay. Before this bracket minus sign is coming. So while writing the terms inside the bracket, change the sign and write. So minus n will become plus n. Then minus m. Okay. Now minus m, that are like terms. So minus m, it is minus 2m. That is minus 1m, minus 1m. So this minus will become plus, then minus. So minus 2m it will be. Okay, solving. So minus 2m, then minus n plus n, it is 0. So the answer is minus 2m. Okay. Now exercise 20b, question 2, in that 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th do as homework. This much for this class. Thank you.